We had a bag of tomatoes, and this was some carrots that were in the fridge that I discovered that were starting to go bad. But these tomatoes, I thought they were great, and then I walked up to them and noticed a bunch of fluid in the bottom. Full of fluid. And where does that fluid come from? The tomatoes. Anyway, I just thought I'd come out here and look through them just to see if we can salvage any of it. And here's some napkins. Ooh, yeah. No, that's a bad yaki tomato. That one back there doesn't look so bad, but got a couple of bad yaki ones in there. Another little bag of them. But oh yeah, I think we can salvage some of those. Take them and wash them off. But it's just nasty whenever something goes bad and it gets all those little wormy things on them. That's the little gnats, and of course, since I brought it out here, the darn flies are coming around to get all in it. So I'm going to salvage what I can, and then the rest of this, I'm going to take the seeds and sling them out in the garden. Let me see what I can do. I decided to just go ahead and carry them out to the compost pile, which is over there. And that way, as I go through them, I can separate the good ones from the bad ones. And just go ahead and put the yaki stuff in the compost. And this is the area out here I've been slinging tomato seeds out into. And I did notice this morning that we're getting some little tomatoes popping up in here. And a bunch of other stuff too. Where did I see those? Ah, right there. Little tomatoes. Little tomatoes popping up in there. See them? Little tomatoes. And I've seen a few others in here too. I just don't know exactly where they're at right now. But they're in there. But let me take care of what I got in my hand before I go and mess with all that. Let me get over here to the compost. One thing I do not want to do, and I never really liked doing this, putting my hands in messy stuff like that. But, you know, sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. Right, let me get this other little bag out of there. This little bag's got the look like the cherry tomatoes. Oh yeah. Got one that's squished in there. Two. There's one that's gone bad. But in here, definitely. Yeah, definitely. Oh yeah, no, yeah, they're yacked up. Alright, I'm attracting buggies, little flies and larvae. But the best way to, I know you probably don't want to see me do this, but the best way to sling your tomato seeds is like this. Hang on, let me adjust my camera real quick. That's a little bit better. But anyway, I take an old yacked out tomato like that, and where do I want these to grow? Maybe I need to pick a different spot for these. Except out here I have slung so many different tomato seeds. Do I want them to grow in the compost? No. How about along the edge of this? Think that'd be a good spot? Yeah. Alright, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to kind of give it a squeeze. And I'm just going to let those seeds just kind of fall down through here. And there are tons of seeds in this thing. So we're getting tons of seeds all on the ground right here. I'm just giving it a good squeeze and letting them just all fall out all through here. Uh-oh, something's in the way. Let me move that out of the way. Okay. Back to the business of squeezing the old yacked up tomato. I'll go around the corner here. If I can get tomatoes to just grow all through here, then I am all for it. It'll grow right here next to the poison ivy. See the poison ivy? Oh, I have my finger in the way. Sorry about my finger. But anyway, that's poison ivy right there. Now I'm very allergic to poison ivy. Alright, that was one tomato. That one tomato put a bunch of seeds all along here and back through there. Now I got a yacked out yacky hand. So, since I've already got a yacked out yacky hand, I'm just going to go in here and grab another tomato. And I'm going to go to the other side. I'm just going to continue all the way around my shed here. This is the shed I'm going to turn into a chicken coop anyway. And if these things are growing through here, ooh, look at that. If these things are growing through here, I just kind of made this one just kind of go all through here. Yeah, don't get in my shirt. Man, look at that. I will get a ton of little tomato plants popping up here. Whew. That tomato sure was ripe. Alright, I'm going to grab another one. And I'm just going to continue around my shed. Yeah, look at that. Yucky. Going back here. Some of the best things in the world come from yucky stuff. Oh, man. Yeah, I forgot I didn't. Alright. Woo, look at that. Yeah. Okay. That area was a little bit grown, but we're going to end up with some tomatoes growing everywhere. Look at that tomato. Ooh. Ooh, yuck. I'm going to take this one because this is a little bit bigger tomato. Different type, a little bit bigger. I found a totally different spot for this one. Sorry about my finger. I'm using my left hand to hold the camera. And, oh, look at my corn. That's a corn plant. A volunteer corn plant. Let me walk around that. All right. Some of my cantaloupe and stuff there. How about up in this corner? Think I can get some tomatoes to grow up in here? I think I can. So here I go. Ooh, look at that. I'm just going to drip them and drop them all through here. What was that? Underneath there. What the heck is that? Oh, I think that came off a turkey. See that? Like a turkey claw or something. I've been seeing turkeys come back here. Alright, squeezing these seeds out. Squeezing the seeds all along the fence. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. If I can get the big tomatoes to grow along the fence here, and the other ones to grow around the shed that's going to be the chicken coop, then that'd be great. The shed that's going to be the chicken coop. Future chicken coop. All right, what else we got in here? All right, these. Ugh. Yeah, those are. That one's definitely yacked out right there. Ugh. It's like a pancake. pancake tomato. Pancake tomato. Let me go around this way. That way I can put some more on the other side of the future chicken coop. Alright, I'm going to sling them down in here. I'm going to kind of bust it open a little bit first. There we go. Yeah. Alright, there we go. Sorry about the finger. Alright, so I guess you get the idea. And, oh yeah. My compost. My compost is growing. It's changing every day. Alright. Wish me luck on my tomatoes. I think we can grow a lot of tomatoes. I think we can do great if I get them to grow. I know it's kind of late in the year, but if I get them to grow, then we're going to get some more fresh big old tomatoes out of them. I'm going to keep working on these, and I'm going to clean those up. I got a couple of little tomatoes in there that need to be you know, squeezed out and spread around seeds. Those two definitely. But what I'll do is just go ahead and get those spread around, and hopefully we'll be able to get these things sprouted sometime soon. Probably what I'll do, like along through here, I'll probably get some of that composted, well, that good compost stuff I got, and just go ahead and put a light layer of compost all around this where I put these seeds, and over there as well. And that'll kind of give them a little cover and get them to growing. Yuck. All right. I'm not going to use my yacked out hand on my camera. Oh, see my thing there. Talk to you later.